Hello everyone, this is me teacher Nader Ali Jamali. You are welcome to this video. Today we are going to talk about very important topic, pronunciation. In English, many letters that are silent and they are commonly mispronounced. Most often they are mispronounced. Here are a few of them that we'll discuss right now. So you will come to know that how they are pronounced, what is their actual pronunciation, and how many people, non-native speakers, okay, as we are non-native speakers, how we mispronounce them. So when we look up their pronunciation in dictionary, in any dictionary, okay, as for phonetic is concerned, there are 26 letters in English alphabet. There are 26, you all know very well, 5 of them are vowels, 5 of them are vowels, and the rest 21 are consonant letters. Okay, but there are 44 sounds in English language. 44 sounds in English language. 26 letters, 44 sounds. So many letters which are silent, but they are stressed. They are pronounced, though they are not pronounced. They are not pronounced and they are not stressed, they are not heard. Okay, as for the phonetic, as for the pronunciation is concerned. Here are a few of them. Okay. Most silent B's come at the end of words and just after N. So B, in many words, B is pronounced, when B comes in the beginning, it is pronounced as, okay, when it comes in the beginning, as bakery, okay, Bombay. When it comes in the beginning, it is pronounced. But when it comes at the end, mostly when it comes at the end or when it comes after M, it is that B is silent, that B is not pronounced. Okay, bomb. Okay, here sound stops at M. B is not pronounced yet. Bomb. Climb in Sindhi, chara. Calm, B is silent. Calm, Harijan in Sindhi language. Kiram, Tukur, Dam, Gungu, Lamb, Readable, Limb, Uzlu, Mom, Base, Plum, Shout, राधे जो होता है जैसा हो दीवार लिखा है अपने सिर में जी काय वाला लेवल गए प्लब सम अंगो टूम मुकबर टूम डे ओके डे कल बी इज साइलेंट डे ओके सत्य एंड is suffix these two endings, L-E-S-S. Okay, they are mispronounced. How they are mispronounced? L-E-S-S. When it comes at the end, it is pronounced lace. This is not lace. When it comes at the end, suffix, it is pronounced. Okay, las. Shwasam, saf, alab shwasam, alab las. Okay, and N-E-S-S, it is pronounced nes. When it comes at the end, it is suffix. This is not nes, but this is nas. This is also shwasam. Okay, for example, careless, okay, but most often you might have heard people pronouncing that careless. This is not careless, this is careless, useless, meaningless, hopeless, homeless, beggar, helpless, बेबस मजबूर, childless, बेऔलादी, selfless, okay, opposite of selfish, endless, खत्म न थींदड़, and happiness, not happiness. This is not happiness. This is happiness, खुशी, greatness, weakness, awareness, goodness, rudeness, politeness. So these few words, okay, when they are ending, when they are the suffixes, they are pronounced like this. Shwasa, alaf zabra not alaf a, not alaf a. And this ending, ment, this ending is also shwasa, soft alaf zabra in Sindhi. Okay, this ending is also mispronounced. This ending main, this is not main. This is not main, but this is man. Okay. There are a lot of words ending in MAND, a lot of words ending in MAND, a lot of words ending in LESS, a lot of words ending in LESS. Government, not government. This is government, development, measurement, abolishment, refreshment, achievement, arrangement, appointment, requirement, environment. So this is how to pronounce these letters, and there are many letters that will, okay, tell you step by step in coming videos. Thank you very much for listening to me attentively.